Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful you are here with me today to do some weekend chores. In today's video, we're starting here in my bedroom for a quick tidy up. Nothing major this weekend because I'm still dealing with the pool situation. Next, we're gonna be moving over to my laundry room, do another quick tidy up, hanging up some things on the wall. Then, as I was going downstairs, I realized how dirty the walls were, so I decided to clean that. And finally, we are going to finish fixing my above the ground pool. I hope that today we can do things together, grab some motivation, lift each other up, and get things done around the house. Thank you for being here, and let's get to tackle our homes together.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now.
My air conditioner, it's back in the window and I don't know what to do with the curtains. Before I never had curtains in my room, and now that I have curtains and I installed the AC, I don't know how to hold the curtains nice. So temporarily I put clothespins to hold it, but I do have to come up with an idea. So please, if you have any suggestions what to do, I do need maybe a blind or something, but then it's not going to match with my other curtain. So if you have any idea what to do, please make sure you comment below and you let me know how to find a cute solution for this. Otherwise, the curtain is going to have to remain like that until the winter comes.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Let me tell you about this little vacuum over here. I usually use it just to clean upstairs, but it is so powerful because it picks up all the dog's hair. It only cost me $25. I am going to link it down below in case you want to grab it from Amazon. I saw a friend of mine here on YouTube using this vacuum clean, and I'm pretty sure most of you know who she is. And when I saw her, I sent her a message and I asked her truthfully if the vacuum was that powerful because I couldn't believe it. And she recommended it, so I ordered it right away. And can I just tell you, she was absolutely right. So if you're looking for something really affordable, that is the vacuum for you. Here is my laundry room. I just recently did this laundry room. It used to be in the basement. Now it's right by our bedrooms. And what I'm going to be doing here is I am going to be hanging the iron board. I'm also going to be putting the iron and the cornstarch spray and the little cup you use to put water inside of the iron. And then I am going to be hanging my grandmother's I don't even know how to explain it, but this is the only thing I have from my grandmother who's deceased. She was Italian and she made a living making these shoes that you use inside of the house. So if you were rich back in my country in Uruguay and you had hardwood floors, you will use these slippers that are handmade inside of the house. And that is all I have from her, and I treasure that dearly. I decided to put it here. I really don't have any other spot to put it, and I was really close with that grandmother.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Here I am just gonna give this a quick wipe down, and sometimes I am thankful that you cannot see how dirty this is, but this is not clean. This is actually very dusty. May look clean to you, but it was not clean here. And then I'm also going to be wiping down the washer and the dryer.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from
The picture frame that I have over here was a gift from my daughter to me, and it has my children. And there's this girl, and shout out to her. Her name is Gabi. We know Gabi, she is like another daughter of mine. We know Gabi for a very, very long time. And on that day, she went to the trip with us. But when my daughter gave me this gift, the picture frame did not have enough pictures. And here goes Gabi. There she is in the middle. The picture frame did not have an extra spot for her picture, and Gabby really believes in her heart that she's part of our family, and we really believe in our heart that she is part of our family. So what she did, this is hilarious to me because she cut her picture, and then with tape she stuck it to the middle of the frame, sort of saying, I am in the heart of this home. So yes, you are, Gabby. You are part of us and we are part of you, and we love having you around. And fun fact, Gabby can cook. Every time this girl comes here, she makes the best food for us.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
Next, I am going to be wiping down the walls, but here's the things. These walls are absolutely disgusting. They're the walls to go to the bedroom and this laundry room, but behind this laundry room, it's our main bathroom, and it is in the midst of renovations, and is taking about a year. It's gonna take a year because one, I don't have the financial assets that I need to have something that major done quickly. Second, because the person that is helping me do it, it's also doing repairs in his home, and he does that for a living. So he comes one weekend, and then for 2 weekends, perhaps he's not able to come. And I am not on a rush because we do have another bathroom in the basement. But with that being said, what's happening is that every time we bring material up or down, then things get dragged in these walls. Also, when we bring things up or down, unfortunately, there's always some accidents, like little holes here and there. And that's why to the right by the steps, you see that I have patched it. I am not trying right now to do any repairs to the walls or the steps because it's senseless since we're still doing renovations upstairs. Once all it's done, then I'm gonna come back to these stairs and walls and try to fix them. But I am giving it a quick, good wipe down. As a matter of fact, what I am using is I'm using a Microsoft cloth with hot water and powder laundry detergent. I love cleaning my entire home with powder laundry detergent. And if you're new here, just know that I have 4 dogs, 2 German Shepherds and 2 very old dogs, one that you saw at the beginning of this video. They don't dirty the walls, but the German Shepherds, let me tell you, they drag everything on the walls, on the furniture, on the floors. If you have dogs, you understand the madness. Now let's finish this up together. Finally, we are going to go outside. This is just a reminder of how my pool looked like last week. It had 12 ribs, if I recall correctly, that I patched. I drained that water. I cleaned the pool. After I done all that, filled up the pool, then the sump filter, this part right here, popped, and then there was water coming out from every single piece. It resulted that it was the valve that goes on top. My daughter, she paid for it because she was the one that asked me if I can repair the pool and put it back up. I personally wanted to get rid of the pool this year. It was my intention. That's why I didn't close it throughout the winter, because in my head, when spring was coming around, I was going to get rid of the pool. But she begged me to please don't do that, to put it back up. So here I am, doing as she wishes. So she did pay for this piece that costed $175. Here's my excitement, because throughout my whole week of vacation, spring break, I dedicated to this pool. I am pleased to say that the pool is now fixed, but on this day it was 86 degrees and I'm running against the clock because as I'm doing this, water is just pouring out of the pool through the skimmer and through the pipes. So I'm trying to hurry up, trying to put all the pieces together, and I was so clumsy on this day. I mean, I did all sort of clumsiness things, and one of them is after I put this piece, I hooked up the pipes in the wrong place. So I had to restart all over again. And after I did that, I realized that the water meter, which is like a gauge, the water started coming out of there, and you'll see me trying to hold it with my finger. Go figure, like that was gonna stop the water, but we got it fixed. It's fixed. Everything is fixed. Unfortunately, here in Jersey this week, it's cold, it's rainy, it's windy. In fact, last night we lost power, so I couldn't upload this video last night. I'm trying to do it today, Sunday, which is hopefully when you're gonna get to see it. is the part where I had to take the pipes out and start all over again, had to unscrew the pieces and redo it. But like I said before, this pool is now up and running and just waiting for the sunny, hot, warm days for us to use it. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for being here. I hope you consider subscribing to MVP on the Go, turning your notification bell so we can do things together. Life is tough, and you don't have to do it alone. We can tackle and clean together, organize, fix, repair, and find hope, fellowship, and friendship within each other. Thank you so much for being here. Stay until the end so you see how it's fixed. And until my next video, love you bunches and sending you a virtual hug.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me